I'm taking the second exercise. But yesterday I told you taking a unit circle. What is the meaning of unit circle? A circle which has radius 1 unit. That is known as a unit circle. We know that if we use the coordinate points, this will be the distance 1 unit x-axis. On y-axis, this will be 0. And if we reach the point at B, then what will be the x coordinate? X coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be 1. If we reach at this point, the -1, comma 0, and this will be the point 0, comma -1. Yesterday we have taken an angle x degree, then this point test the position. The coordinate this position will be cos x and sin x. X is the angle. This I have told you yesterday. Okay, just we compare our points with these points, we will get the value of different cos angles. Suppose if we take the angle cos 0, so cos 0, the angle is making 0 degree. It means the point is lying, this point P is lying at point A. So it means क्या होगा? So cos 0 degree equal to 1 and sin 0 equal to 0. ठीक है? How we have formed yesterday, I explained you how this come this point. Just I am doing again. If you take cos x is equal to base upon hypotenuse. ठीक है? So cos base will be the position, है ना? Position of this point. This will be uh, base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to 1. Suppose if you take cos x is equal to base, we are taking b and hypotenuse is equal to 1. So b is equal to cos x. Similarly, sin x is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular, so if we say this is a b, this one is a. So a upon hypotenuse, so this will be equal to a is equal to sin x. ठीक है? So first of we use the cos x, then sin x, because the first distance on x-axis is base and perpendicular distance a equal to on y-axis. This point is cos x sin x. So cos x sin x will depend on the angle. This is will represent all angle of the circle. If we are here at position A, at A the angle at A x is equal to 0 degree. At B, what will happen? At B, x is equal to 90 degree. ठीक है? 90 degree or pi by 2. It means what will be the cos 90 equal to 0, sin 90 equal to 1. Similarly, the x makes the angle 180 degree. So cos 180 degree at C. Suppose this is the point C. This is the point D. At point C, x is equal to 180 degree. Cos 180 equal to -1 and sin 180 equal to 0. If we reach here cos at point D, so cos 270, cos 270 degree equal to 0 or sin 270 degree equal to -1. Similarly, cos 180 degree equal to 360 degree. Sorry, 360 degree equal to 1 or sin 360 degree equal to 0. So these are, we get the multiple value of 90 degree, ठीक है, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Just you observe here, wherever we come, if we take the angle more than 90 degree, then we will reach the second quadrant. In second quadrant, what will happen? The value of this term, this is here, you are observing the x coordinate is positive. X coordinate positive, ठीक है. In second coordinate also, we are observing the sign, this point in first quadrant, we are observing the all values are positive. Whenever we reach here in second quadrant, what will happen? If we make the angle x here, you will observe that this value, we are coming this side positive, this will be the negative value, and above value will be positive. So it will be more complicated. Just first of all, we have find the value of 90 degree and 180 degree and 270 degree. So you are observing the as the value of cos, first of all, starting from 1 and increasing to 0. After then, the value of cos again start decreasing. ठीक है? From 1 it reaches to 0. After that also it is decreasing, it comes to negative value. And then it comes to increasing, then it comes to 0. It then again come to 1. So if we see the graph of cos function, it starts from the 1 to come it to 0, then it come to -1, then it come again to 0. In this way, the whole circle, one circle will complete. After completion of one round, it will start to making the same repetition. It will make the, here in this form, again you will find the same repetition in both sides. It will be the value of cos will be rotate from 1 to -1. Okay. Similarly, the value of sin x function is also rotate from 0 to 1 and again 1 to -1. Okay. And fifth 0. In the same way, it is the value of cosine function is repeat. It is increasing from 0 to 1 and then decreases from 1 to -1. So you have to remember this one, the function of cos and sine function. Just we see there in first quadrant, if we make the angle this one, x angle, so just observe that this cos theta is depend on the base upon hypotenuse. So base will be positive and hypotenuse is also positive. Or suppose this one is a distance. So you will see that cos theta will be positive, sin theta will be also positive, and other trigonometric function will be all positive. If you take tan theta will be perpendicular upon base. In first quadrant, both the terms A or B, both are positive. B or A, both are positive. Okay. First of all, we write the coordinate of B, then we write A. Here also, whenever you see here, okay, you are observing that the cos theta, we reach here, this value will be in -B, and this is a perpendicular. This is -B and this is A, this is hypotenuse. So we observe if in the second quadrant we take, so cos theta depend on base upon hypotenuse, then minus b upon h, then it will be negative. And if you take tan theta, cos theta and sec theta, both are reciprocal, then it is also negative. So in second quadrant, cos theta or sec theta are negative. Okay. In third quadrant, what will happen? In third quadrant, you just observe. So both the terms, minus b and minus a, both will be negative. This is minus b, suppose this one, minus a. Okay. Both are negative. So you observe that cos theta और sec theta is negative, and you observe in second quadrant की बात कर रहे हैं, first quadrant में तो all positive. In first quadrant, all positive. In second quadrant, we observing that the cos theta or sec theta negative है. If we take another function tan theta, we take tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base, then base is negative, that why it will be negative. यानी कि tan theta भी negative होगा. Only sin theta or cosec theta will be positive because these are the reciprocal. Sec theta, sin theta or cosec theta, these two functions will be positive. In third quadrant, we are observing that in third quadrant we have taken tan theta. If we take the, now I'm just taking tan theta. Why we are taking tan theta? In third quadrant, tan theta is equal to होगा perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is minus a and base is minus b. Both are negative. If we divide, then we will get the positive term. So tan theta or reciprocal of the tan theta is cosec theta. These two terms will be positive. In fourth quadrant क्या होगा? इस fourth quadrant में we observe that this distance will be positive और नीचे वाली क्या होगी? वो negative होगी. यानी कि if we take cos theta in fourth quadrant, cos theta will be based upon hypotenuse. So base is positive or hypotenuse is always positive because hypotenuse we find by using the formula of h square is equal to base square and perpendicular square. Because it is a square of some term, okay? If we take the square root, the value of the after from the square root will be positive. ठीक है, स्क्वायर रूट से जो भी वैल्यू निकलेगी दैट विल बी पॉजिटिव. तो हाइपोटेन्यूज यू हैव टू टेक ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. So that's why based upon hypotenuse, so this cos theta and the reciprocal of cos theta, that will be positive. Cos theta and reciprocal will be sec theta. So you have to remember these formulas. In first quadrant, all terms, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta positive. In third quadrant, tan theta and cosec theta positive. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta is positive. ठीक है, so you have to remember these things, these formulas. By using these formulas, you can do the, now we can start the exercise. Exercise 3.2. The first question है, they have given you cos x is equal to -1/2 x lie in third quadrant. X belongs to third quadrant. So you have to find the other 5 trigonometric ratios. ठीक है, so first of all we just use the right angle triangle as you have done in 10th class. This angle, suppose x is equal to base upon hypotenuse, base is equal to 1 and hypotenuse is 2, then it becomes root 3, by using the Pythagoras. So you are familiar with this, so I am not explaining you. If you have problem, then I can explain you also. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. ठीक है. So we have AB is equal to how much 1 or BC square. Sorry, AC square we have 2, 2 square, BC square we have to find out. 4 minus 1, ठीक है. Then it comes root 3, BC is equal to root 3. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of third side of a right angle triangle. Now you have to use this concept, x belongs to third quadrant. I have told you just in third quadrant which terms are positive. बताइए. Sin theta, other trigonometric ratios will be tan theta, cos x they have given you, so there no need to write cos x. So after that tan x, cot x or sec x, cosec x. We have to write the value of remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. ठीक है. First you just to try to find out in third quadrant which term are positive. Tan theta or cot theta was positive. But whatever we have written in first quadrant all are positive. In second quadrant sin x and cosec x are positive. In third quadrant tan x and cot x positive. तो इनका साइन तो आपको पॉजिटिव लेना है, अदरवाइज सबका बाकी जो रिमेनिंग है इनका साइन माइनस में ही लेना है. So sin x is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So answer will be root 3 upon 2. Similarly, tan x is equal to perpendicular upon base, यानी कि root 3. Or this will be 1 upon root 3 because tan x or cot x are reciprocal. Sec x is reciprocal, then it becomes minus 2. Sin x का reciprocal minus 2 upon root 3. इस तरीके से लिखना है. ठीक है. ये काम जो हमने फाइंड किया है थर्ड साइड फॉर फाइंडिंग द रूट. ठीक है. इट इज रिलेटेड टू द फ्रॉम योर 10th क्लास. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ थर्ड साइड we can find the value of other trigonometric ratios, but you have to take care about the sign. ठीक है. Sign, what about the sign which I have told you in the quadrant, in which quadrant you have to take care of the signs in which quadrant first, which ratio is positive and which are negative. ठीक है. After using that one, you can write the other trigonometric ratios. The other parts are similar as I have done question number 1. So second, third, fourth, fifth, you can do yourself. ठीक है. It is for your homework. ठीक है. Mostly I have solved them in other exercises, all questions, because they were little different, but they are exactly same. You have done in 10th class also, but you have to remember only the quadrant, in which quadrant which ratio is positive and which is negative. Now we are taking the question number 6. 6 है, find value of sine 765 degree. We have to find the value of this one. 765 is a very big value, but I have explained you value of 0 to 360 degree. ठीक है. But we know that after reaching this point, all trigonometric ratio after 360 take the position from 0. ठीक है. Again, this degree, 360 degree or 0 degree, both are equal. ठीक है. 720 degree है ना, और 0 degree and 360 degree both are equal. So you have to just try to figure in this circle, है ना? Otherwise, so these are the different numbers. The value of the degree will remain same if we take 0 degree and 360 degree or 720 or the multiple of 360 degree. कितनी भी बड़ी नंबर आप ले सकते हैं, तो वैल्यू ऑफ द एंगल विल बी सेम. So you can write this function sin 702 into 360 plus 45 degree. Just observe that how I have written 765. 765 को we can write 720 plus 45 degree. ठीक है, 720 को we can write 2 into 360 plus 45 degree. Now we are adding something in 360 degree, then we will be in first quadrant. This angle, this should be less than 90 degree. And we have to take care, we have to break such that this angle should be less than 90 degree. Then we can use this relation sin 360 plus theta, then it will be equal to sin 45 degree, or sin 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. This will be the answer. ठीक है, just see one more formula I am just going to tell you. If you are in first quadrant, you are taking angle this one x degree. If you reach here, then if you making the same angle minus x degree, and what will happen? The position of the perpendicular distance will be negative. Here the perpendicular distance is positive. A is positive. Here A is negative. So what will happen? So wherever we are getting perpendicular, that terms will be negative. यानी कि sin x will be negative in, यानी कि sin x जो है, x is less than 90 degree. ठीक है, x we are taking which is greater than 0 to 90 degree. So sin x will be negative. If sin minus x will be negative. A cos minus x, it will be positive because cos theta depend on base. Base is b. B will be remain same, positive. So cos minus x will be positive. Sin minus x will be negative. Tan minus x will be also negative. ठीक है, you have to remember this one also. If we take in place of plus की जगह minus sign if we use, then we apply the formula of 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta will be in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, ठीक है, these ratios are positive, cos theta and cosec theta. Then we take cos theta and sec theta. Other ratios will be negative. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है cosec -1410. ठीक है, cosec -1410 है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला cosec minus theta. Cosec minus theta will be sin minus x is equal to negative है, तो cosec minus x will be also negative. Cosec 1410. We are considering this angle x. ठीक है, so we are not dividing into numerically. ठीक है, so we can write the multiple of 360 into 4 times. What will be the value? 400 1440. ठीक है, so you can write here minus cosec 4 into 360 minus 30. Why we have taken minus 30? Because the multiple of 4 times will be 1440, but it is 1410. If we subtract, we will get 1410. Now we have to use this formula cos x 360 minus x. यानी कि 360 minus x यानी कि we will be in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos x will be negative. So negative and one more negative, the value will be positive. यानी कि the value of this function minus plus cos x 30. Cos x 30 is equal to 2 because sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So cos x 30 will be 2. Sin theta and cosec theta both are reciprocal to each other. Okay, in this way you have to solve the other question. If they are coming in fourth quadrant, so you have to remember that in which fourth quadrant which ratio is positive. Only cos and sec are positive. Other, first of all, we have to use the formula cos x minus x. This will be minus cos x. Now we take the another question. Question number 8. Tan 19 pi upon 3. So how we can write 19 pi upon 3? They have given in radian. Pi means 180 degree or 2 pi means 360 degree. ठीक है, तो we 6 pi plus pi upon 3. 3 6 या 18, 18 में 1 ऐड करा हमने, कितना हो गया 19 pi upon 3. So why we have written 6 pi? 6 pi को we can break into 3 into 2 pi. ठीक है, 10 into 3 into 2 pi plus pi upon 3. So we can use the formula of tan 360 plus theta, यानी कि we will be in first quadrant. In first quadrant, ठीक है, all ratios are positive, so we can use tan pi by 3. We can write tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 means tan 60 degree. In place of pi, if you put 180 degree, you will get tan 60. Tan 60, the value of tan 60 is equal to root 3, 1 upon root 3. ठीक है, 1 upon tan 60 root 3. Sorry. This will be the answer. So you have to convert by using the multiple of 360 if the value of angle is more than 360. Okay. So the question they have given you which are more than or related to 360 degree. So you have to make the circle. You have to use the whole angle which makes on the circle at the center, that is 360 or 2 pi degree. ठीक है, so I explained you question number 6, 7, 8. Now the remaining question 9 or 10 you will do yourself. If you get any problem, so tomorrow we will discuss. ठीक है, so you can find the value in this way.